Salam everyone, today we are making masala kaleji. I've listed all the ingredient details in the description box below as well as in the video. Before washing the kaleji, add in a teaspoon of garlic paste in it and give it a good mix. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and then wash it off. For preparing the masala, take a pan and add in 1/4 cup of oil. Now add in the onion puree. I made this out of 2 medium onions. Saute for a while, then add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. When the mixture gets golden brown, add in the tomato puree. I made this out of 2 tomatoes. Add in a teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here I've added a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. This is optional. On low flame, add in a tablespoon of yogurt. Cover and keep it on low flame for a while. When the oil starts showing, add in a teaspoon of coriander powder and a teaspoon of cumin powder or seeds. Leave it on low flame. Till then we'll prepare the kaleji. Take a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of oil, then add in the kaleji and stir fry it well. Now we'll add in the kaleji to our prepared masala. After stir frying it well, add in a tablespoon of fenugreek leaves and salt to taste. Throw in 2 to 3 green chilies, then cover and keep it on low flame. That's it for today. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.